Hello viewers, welcome to CodeForAny. E-commerce Flutter app inside. Today we need to see this here the setting page we need to develop here. First of all, we need to make this here the UI screens for need to create here the new files. Create here the new files. Need to give this here the name setting screen dot create here the stateful widgets setting screen and import this here the material dependency and we need to configure the screens inside here the my order screens. Now need to find out here the row and sub processing here the profile tabs and need to set here the wish here setting screen save here and now need to see first of all the designs inside the Figma need to look like this UI we need to developing here. Let's start. Now need to go yesterday we need to make this here the my order screens inside we need to make this here the app bars and we need to copy here because similar to use here we need to copy this line of codes of these scaffolds we need to copy in here this ones and now need to go inside here the settings screens and we need to paste this here. Now unused codes we need to remove here first of all need to remove here expand like this and removing this code also remove this ones import this here the color extensions. Now need to set here the name settings like here save this here and also import this here the extensions save here and set it here. Now need to click here and open this here the setting screen. Now we need to make here the scroll view we need to develop here. First of all we need to call here the expand keywords, otherwise need to this scroll settings we need to convert it into the scroll view. Wrap with here the scroll view need to make here the wrap widgets. Set here the scroll view single child so need to select here like here need to put it here and need to save this here. Now put it here the scroll view. Now need to one by one need to making here the columns and informations need to put here. Need to remove here this padding so need to cut here and outsides of these columns need to put here. So also these brackets need to change here borders like here and to fix this here. Now this is are the putted here. Now need to give this here the another text need to give this here the some height space. Set here the 15. Paste this copy and now need to set here the header 16 semibolts need to use here need to set here the font weight 600 for the semibolts. Now need to set here the titles personal informations information save here and show like years. Now increase this here 25 good years. Again we need to copy and to set here the height space for the 15 need to give this years and set it this years. Now need to use this here the round text fields. Use this here the round text fields. In text inside we need to give this here the full name and show here the full names. Same age. Now we need to make here the birth date, date of birth, like this, and show this here. Now we need to make here the another sections. Again, we need to copy and paste. And now need to set here the password section and need to make here the row and set here the main axis alignment. Set here the space between and we need to set here the button text button on pressing it. And we need to set here the text change. Set here the styles, text styles. Set here the color, the color, placeholder colors, font size. We need to set here the checking here 14 and medium weight 500. Like you need to saving here and show this here this data. You need to showing here. Otherwise, need to set here the 600 is good. Single designs a little bit dark. Now, same as you need to set here the password fields. You need to put here. Need to same as text fields. But here one change. Set here password. Show here's like this. Remove here this one's no need. Now need to clean. Again, so need to give this here the space. Maybe you need to convert into the button is good. Now need to go this text please and to copy this line of codes. Go definitions and need to copy this one. This here columns. Paste here. Really, here this arrow. So fix icons need to no needs need to clean here. Select hint text labels password here. Also set here the password. Maybe text will no need. So need to clean here. Show here the shadow if errors, then to set here nulls. Need to remove this line of code. If errors, set here the borders. Also clean here. And now create here the text. This ones and need to put here. Now need to set here. Strict science need to show like this here placeholder. And showing like this here. Make here the row is good. And another text. Set here the password. Check here the font size. We need to set here the 11 regular. And here change this color. Primary text. Apply here. Show like this here. Set here the some height space. And maybe increase more. Well, now display good or similar to UI. Need to put it here these buttons. Now need to convert into the buttons. Wrap with inkware on tab event. Like need to put it here and this is the clickables. Now then after again so we need to copy this line of code and we need to put here the notification settings. This is once and need to set here the notifications and remove this here these buttons no needs. Now need to clean here, remove here this row, not needs, maybe remove here this one is good. Show like this here, clean, unused need to remove here. Now display good and increase this here the 35. And now need to make here the switch row. We need to develop here. Need to make here the row. Set here the columns and I need to set here the main axis spaces. As set here the space between. Now need to set any text fields for the titles. Need to show like this here the UI and fonts. Need to set here the 14 semi bold and set here the cell like here's, and show this here, this data. Now, times of the switch buttons. Need to put here the switch value. Need to set here the equals false and on change events is on, like events into get years and set it this years, and active colors we need to put here the active tracker color, active colors, T color, not T color use here, green color use. Set here the true, maybe T color, like this. So like this need to apply here. Now need to convert into the common row. Need to copy these ones and we need to create here the new files, and we need to give this here the name switch row dot setting switch rows. Create here the state clear widgets. Give this here the name setting switch row and import this here the material dependency. Now need to paste this line of codes, import this here the color extensions, and we need to declare here some property. We need to set here the final string title final string, set here the functions, and we need to return this here the bool value and on change event. Import this here and bool is on, like here, and set here by default false. This is on, set here the false, like this sets, and we need to save this here. Now we need to set here the title on years and on change, and we need to pass this here the on, right. On otherwise maybe sometime we get the type of. Now like this we need to create here the switch row. We need to develop in here. Now we need to go inside here the settings screens and we need to replace with this here. Now we need to set here the setting switch row, set here the titles as a cell like here, and on change event is on. Oh, here typo, sorry, that's non on. To replace with every place. And we need to declare here the some variables where cell on, by first need to set here the false where, and after the new arrivals false where, and last one is the delivery status change that here false. First ones need to set here the default true cells like it. Now here's set here the on is odds is we need to maybe every place we need to set here the is good. Easy to identify. This one is bool, is new, and is delivery status change. This one's and here put on cell on is cell and set state is cell set here the is on like here. Some is now need to copy this one line of code, paste here, also paste here, and now need to change here new arrived, also set here is new arrived, and paste this here. Then after the delivery status change is delivery status change is on and also replace with here's. Now to set it here, show like this here. If you change, then working good. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up. If you're new user, so please subscribe my channels and press the notification bell icon. You can get every new video notifications and awesome content. If you have any question, so please write down inside the comment sections. I will help you and sort out your issue. Everyone have a nice day. Goodbye and take care.